Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the array tool in Cinema 4D in detail. You can see here in this scene I have created one cylinder. Now to use the array tool I need to choose this tool from this subdivision surface flyout. For that I need to press and hold the left mouse button over here and I will choose this array tool. You can see now the array object is added over here. Now to create array of this cylinder, I need to drag this cylinder to this array like this. You can see here now array of cylinders is created. Now let us see how we can modify this array. For that, let me select this array in the object manager. Now you can see in the attribute manager all array parameters are displayed over here. Here I can change the radius so that cylinders placement in this array can be changed. Now if I increase the copies, more cylinders are there in the array. Like this I can change number of copies. Now if I change the amplitude, you can see amplitude of this cylinder objects in this array is changing. Now one more thing, if I go to this cylinder, I can change the size of this cylinder individually. Even if this cylinder is now part of an array, I can change its height. And I can even change its segments. To make the segments visible, I need to choose this second option. You can see like this I can modify the cylinder in an array. Now one more thing I would like to show here. In an array some restrictions are still there. Now suppose I want to move this cylinder, means I am moving this cylinder but nothing happens to the array. Also if I rotate this cylinder, again nothing happens to this array. Now let me show you the way by which you can move the cylinder so that array can be moved, and if I rotate the cylinder, the array can be rotated. For that I will create one more cylinder. Let this array object be as it is. I will move this cylinder over here. Now create the null object and I will move this cylinder to this null object. Now I will choose the array tool from this flyout and now I will move this null to this array object. Now you can see this array of second cylinder is created. Now I will select cylinder, and when I move this cylinder you can see now the array is also moving. Also when I rotate this cylinder, you can see all the cylinders in array are also rotated. So that is how you can use the array tool. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.